Green tea has gained popularity as a weight loss supplement due to its potential fat-burning properties. However, recent research from Maastricht University in the Netherlands has uncovered an important interaction that may affect its effectiveness. The study found that proteins in food can neutralize the active ingredients in green tea, reducing its weight loss benefits. The research involved 80 obese participants who first underwent a strict 500-calorie diet for 4 weeks, followed by a 13-week weight maintenance phase. During this maintenance period, half the subjects received a daily supplement containing green tea extract, 270-gram EGCG, and caffeine, 150 milligrams, while the other half got a placebo. Additionally, some participants were placed on a high-protein diet, while others ate normal protein levels. Green tea's weight loss effects are attributed to its EGCG content and caffeine. EGCG helps prolong the fat-burning effects of adrenaline, while caffeine increases adrenaline production and cellular sensitivity to it. Together, they can boost metabolism and fat oxidation. Interestingly, the study found that while both the high-protein diet and the green tea supplement individually helped maintain weight loss, they did not enhance each other's effects when combined. The researchers discovered this was due to proteins deactivating the polyphenols, like EGCG, in green tea through a process called non-covalent cross-linking. This effect is particularly strong with certain proteins like caseins found in dairy products. Even small amounts of protein can impact green tea's benefits. Some studies suggest that adding just a splash of milk to tea may negate its positive health effects. For those wanting to maximize the benefits of green tea supplements, it's recommended to take them on an empty stomach first thing in the morning and wait about an hour before consuming any protein-containing foods. This research provides valuable insights for anyone using green tea for weight management. It highlights the importance of timing and food interactions when taking dietary supplements. By understanding these factors, individuals can potentially optimize the effectiveness of green tea in supporting their weight loss efforts.